Let's go to Lesson 13. What can you do? I can ride a horse. Listen and repeat. Ride a horse. Play the piano. Do a magic trick. Play hopscotch. Play with a yo-yo. Do a cartwheel. Do a somersault. Jump rope. What can you do? I can ride a horse. What can you do? I can play the piano. What can you do? I can do a magic trick. What can you do? I can play hopscotch. What can you do? I can play with a yo-yo. What can you do? I can do a cartwheel. What can you do? I can do a somersault. What can you do? I can jump rope. See you soon.